Wow! Wow!
Hello, this is our chosen topic. Number of online orders received by small clothing business per day. Random variables X number of online orders received in one day. Possible values 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Data collected by small online clothing shop. Recorded to the number of orders received each day for 30 days.
He's the one trying to hurt you.
Frequency 2, 3, 5, 7, 6, 4, 3. Summation of F is equal to 30.
How to get the probability P of X? To get the probability P of X is you need to divide the frequency to the total of frequency. 2 divided by 30 is 0.6667. 3 divided by 30 is 0.1. 5 divided by 30 is 0.1667. 7 divided by 30 is 0.2333. 6 divided by 30 is 0.2. 4 divided by 30 is 0.1333. 3 divided by 30 is 0.1.
To get the mean is summation of X times P of X. 5 times 0.0667 is equal to 0.3335. 6 times 0.1 is equal to 0.6. 7 times 0.1667 is equal to 1.1669. 8 times 0.2333 is equal to 1.8664. 9 times 0.2 is equal to 1.8. 10 times 0.1333 is equal to 0.1333. 11 times 0.1 is equal to 1.1. To get the mean, you need to add all the variables to get the mean. The total of mean is 8.1998.
The mean 8.1198 shows that the shop typically receives around 8 orders daily.
The variance 2.7603 indicates that daily orders are fairly stable with small fluctuations.
Application. The shop owners knowing the average numbers of orders is approximately 8.2 rounded to 8 for practical purposes can use this information for inventory and operational planning. By understanding the average daily orders, the owner can 1. Prepare in advance. Having 8 to 10 items ready for shipment, ensuring that common orders quantities can be fulfilled quickly, reducing processing times. 2. Avoid delays. This proactive approach minimizes the risk of backlogs and keeps customers happy by ensuring timely delivery. 3. Optimize inventory. While the average is 8, preparing for the slightly higher range 8 to 10 accounts for minor fluctuation, balancing efficiency without overstaffing too much. This application demonstrates how statistical measure like the means can directly inform business decision for better customer service and operational efficiency.
Push the arm. And down the hatches. Bring the ass and prepare to board.